Explain something very important to you. The human brain is designed for survival. So when your brain is not challenged, your brain is going to be lazy. So in order to stimulate your brain, you have to challenge yourself and get off the comfort zone. Your brain is always seeking for comfort. Your brain is always trying to be relaxed. Your brain is always trying to be as relaxed and chilled as possible, because your brain is designed for survival. You have to trigger any sort of survival techniques in order to stimulate and activate your brain. One way we do that is through a rigid daily routine habits, or through rigid daily routine habits, such as trying all the time to consistently read something at the same time every single day. Let's take an example here. The example of morning prayer, the 5 prayers of the day. They are not designed by God haphazardly or randomly. No, because God wants you to wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. every single morning, because you have a purpose, because you want and you have to do certain disciplined things. Because once you learn how to discipline yourself to wake up in this morning time, everything else is going to be organized and disciplined and achieved systematically. And that is the purpose of prayer that people just ignore, or they don't realize, or they don't see. And it's about timing and discipline and consistency, where your body, your brain is going to be ticking like a clock. Through that process, you are going to systemize yourself and trigger yourself and gear yourself for achievement, for goals, for vision, for objectives ahead of you, until you realize that things will be the same. Unless you change yourself, you exit your comfort zone and you improve the quality of training that you have. First, you have to improve your reading by reading more, and you have to selectively choose what you are reading, and reading something that you definitely enjoy. This book in particular is really great for you to get started reading, because it's diverse, it's versatile, it has so many recommendations for you to self-develop and also realize your vision and your purpose in life, and the ways and techniques for achieving a higher score in IELTS.